Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to see how to fix iPhone lock screen delay to wake up in iOS 17. For that, open your settings and go to General. Then scroll down and hit on Shutdown. Once you do that, unlock your phone after 20 or 30 seconds. Then other way to solve this problem is to update your all application. For that, go to your app store and hit an account. There you'll see update all option. To update your all application, hit on that. Once it is done, go back to your settings, go to the general and scroll down and hit on transfer or reset iPhone. Then click on reset to solve this problem. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you for watching this video.